handwriting is so messy here. That's right. Ha, I love this text-to-speech thing.
Okay guys, so listen to me. I am currently editing this vlog and I love this new text-to-speech feature. And then I was going through the voices and guess what? I found love and deep space character's voice. Like literally, listen. Okay.
I am done and know what I have to say in seminar.
No, that isn't Raphael. We found more. Wait, Silas?
I am done and know what I have to say in seminar.
And this is ASMR. We hear it like in TikTok very much.
I am done and know what I have to say in seminar.
Okay, it's funny. We have Caleb or Kella. How would say his name? No.
I am done and know what I have to say in seminar.
This is so bad. I'm so sorry, but his voice is so bad.
I am done and know what I have to say in seminar.
Okay, Xavier. And now we have Zane.
I am done and know what I have to say in seminar.
So I was like scrolling the voices and I found Zane. I was like, wait, is this Zane? And then I was like, yes, they are. So it's funny. We have like so many characters. Like, should I use those voices in my vlogs? I joking. I want to use this. I don't know. It's just so funny to me. I can't be serious with these voices. Yeah, so let's continue the vlog. Yeah. Oh my god, I didn't know that Sweden has such things.
Den där bakom mig. Långt bort, ja, men jag tänker inte bygga ihop dem.
Men vad tänker du?
Ta se så på båda.
Da-da-da-dun. Oh my god, I really love that. The bag itself is so pretty, and now we can style it, and it's so big, like you see. Oh my god, this is so cute.